Welcome back to Cultivating Contentment. We are on week 11, day 2 of our study, and today's topic, or this week's topic, is satisfied. Our scripture today comes from Daniel, and we're going to look at Daniel over the next 4 days. And with each of these verses, I want you to kind of think about how did Daniel react to the situations that he was in each of the verses that we look at. So this one is Daniel 1:8. But Daniel resolved not to defile himself with the royal food and wine, and he asked the chief official for permission not to defile himself this way. Our quote today comes from Barbara Johnson. Starting each morning with an attitude of gratitude, no matter what the circumstances, can splash joy over the rest of your day. So yeah, for me, if I wake up and ready to face the day, I just have a much better day than if I wake up and go, oh, not another day. I don't know how I'm going to make it through. So, this is really important to me anyways, as to how I start my day, as to how the rest of my day is going to go. So our question today is, what kinds of things should we be grateful for? Let's start in 1 Timothy 1:12. And our second question, Paul thanks God for his fellow believers, making mention of you always in my prayers, from Philemon 1:4. According to 1 Thessalonians 2:13, why was he so grateful? So again, I look forward to your responses, and hope you are staying safe and staying well, and have a great day, and I will talk to you again tomorrow. Blessings to you.